Thanks for joining us again today. We are working on preparation this month. That's our focus. And so today's video is going to be all about what is blocking you from being prepared. Whether that's preparing and doing your meal prep, whether that's going to bed in a timely fashion, whether that's doing the things that you know are good for you and that your body and mind need to be successful, but just somehow don't have the time ever. Are you maybe resisting those things? And what can we do about that? So that's what this session is going to be for, is to find, locate, and remove any of those blockages that prevent you from being the more successful, more prepared, and ready person that you want to be. Because that has a big ripple effect in our life, doesn't it? All right, so you know the drill. You're going to relax, get a comfortable seat or lay down. If you want to watch me, that's fine. And we're going to start now. All you need to do is consent to this Usui Reiki healing. This is a selenite bar. It's really good at repairing any holes or blockages, removing anything that's not yours, but maybe you picked up from someone around you, someone that has influence in your life, but maybe somehow that influence is having a negative effect on you when it comes to being prepared. That just kind of helps us smooth it off, shear off all those connections that are unwanted, breaking us free of those thoughts that weren't really ours, but that somehow kind of got stuck in there. Maybe some of the blockage is literal pain. Let's pull that out. An inflammation that makes us feel like we can't. You guys are so capable. There is enough time. You have enough energy. There's enough time. You can make enough space to have the things you want, to get organized, to be accomplished. There's no need to feel like that's for everyone else and not me. You can have that stuff too. What are you wanting to commit to in a new routine, a new something that helps you get more organized so you can be clear on what you need to do, action steps, items, brain dumps, journaling, lists. Do you need to get old school and write it down in a calendar? That's me. I always have to write it down. Do you carve out time that is you time? Maybe that looks like time with executive chief of staff. That's you, the executive. Maybe you need a lunch date with them. Some time just with you. Okay, you guys, I know you've got this. You're gonna have a successful upcoming month. Drink some water. Remember to take little steps. You don't need to do an overhaul overnight. You can rewatch this video, tag a friend, share it, follow us, and we can't wait to see you next time. And if you feel like there's something that you really want support in and want to have a targeted video on, we are taking recommendations. Hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.